Hey, what's up guys, it's Killer90086 and today I'm going to be going to Denver and I'm going to vlog it for you guys. So I hope you enjoy the vlog, and I'm going to do some time lapses on the way there, and I hope you enjoy. So we just arrived here in Denver. We're gonna head to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. So yeah, I'm not too sure where we're going. My mom's the driver, so yep. We just got out of the museum. I hope you like those photos I just showed you. I just got some McDonald's, and I don't know what we're gonna do next, but I'll figure it out. So yeah. All right, guys. So we are going home now. We are gonna go the back way. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go to Parker, and then from Parker, I forget the road name. Anyways, we're gonna go back there because the ride's better and it's just nicer. So we're gonna go that way. And show you some photos from it. So those were the last time lapses. It's dark now and have to use a flashlight for lighting. So that was the last time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the pictures and everything. So go do me a favor, go comment, like, and subscribe on this video, and subscribe to my channel and like and comment on the video. Alright, I'll see you in my next video, and peace out.